5 ways cool roof coatings help the environment. Coming up next. Number 1. Energy savings. Cool roof coatings are designed to reflect a significant portion of the sun's heat, reducing the amount of heat transferred into the building. As a result, buildings with cool roofs require less energy for cooling, especially during hot summer months. Number 2. Reduce urban heat island effect. The urban heat island effect occurs when cities and urban areas become significantly hotter than their surrounding rural areas, due to the abundance of concrete, asphalt, and other heat-absorbing surfaces. Cool roof coatings help mitigate this effect by reflecting solar radiation and reducing surface temperatures. Number 3. Decreased air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. By reducing energy consumption of cooling, cool roof coatings indirectly contribute to reducing air pollution and greenhouse emissions. Number 4. Enhanced roof durability. Cool roof coatings can extend the lifespan of roofs. Prolonging the life of roofs reduces the need of premature roof replacements and decreases waste from discarded roofing materials. Number 5. Water conservation. Some cool roof coatings have the ability to release water slowly, helping to reduce stormwater runoff. This can alleviate stress on stormwater systems, prevent water pollution, and contribute to water conservation efforts. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.